Hey guys, what's going on? I just want to show you the output of this radio, this 2950. But just to set this up, I want to let you guys know we are using the Astron RS35A, which you know is a 35 amp. The voltage we're using going into this radio is it's at 13.68. This is roughly about what you'd be coming out of your car as it's running. I've seen them anywhere between 13.5 up to 14.4 or 5, depending on the vehicle. We are using a small cord on this. It's not very big. You can see it. I would recommend a bigger cord because the radio is peaked and tuned. We're using the WAWC meter, as you can see. This is very much like the Dozies. In fact, my buddy has the Dozy, I think it's the TC4002, which is a 4,000 watt. This is also 4,000 watt. It says 2 to 4,000. You can see that. But what we're using here, no antenna, just using the actual dry dummy load. This is a 50 watt PEP dummy load, dry dummy load. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. I actually have. We also got the D104M6B. Now we're going to run that about halfway, which doesn't really matter. I'm not going to shout into the thing, just a simple hello and what's going on. It's not going to do a whole lot, but we're just going to show you. First off, let's put this on. We're on AM. We're going to do an SWR check. Let's see where we're at. Whoop. Let's shut the audio off. Make sure this doesn't influence it. Okay. We'll just turn the watts down just a hair bit. Adjust the meter actually. Let's do this. Okay, you can see it's set. And we're about a 1-to-1. So, alright, now let's check this thing out. Let's go back to the 20 watt scale. And you guys know, if you're running a Dozy, you know that the 20 watt scale, usually you got to jump from 20 watts. If you hit the 20 watt scale, you got to jump to the 200. At least that was my, that's what I had to do when I had my Dozies as well. So, let's go ahead and check this thing out and see what it does. So we got the audio all the way down on the radio. We're going to turn that all the way up, keep the mic at 5, and dead key. It's about half to 3/4 of a watt dead key on AM. Let's do this. Let's shut the mic completely off. Okay. So that's about a half a watt. Let's turn it up. That's just about 5. It should be about 4.5. Now just give you guys an idea. That's the mic is off. That's actually off. Let me turn it back up to about 3 to 5. Now that's 20 watt scale. Let's go ahead and do the hello, audio, audio. It's hitting about 25. Let's turn the dead key all the way down, and you'll see it here. Okay. Audio, hello, hello. And you can see it's still hitting the 25. Now, I'm going to jump up the sideband. This is upper sideband. Hello, audio, hello. That's about 30, 31. Again, I want to show you guys something. I think you'll understand what I'm saying. Hello, hello. You can see the actual lights on the radio dimming out a bit. So I would change the cord. Something a little bit more heavy duty. It would be better. Now, let's go to upper sideband. Let me go here. That's upper sideband. I'm sorry, that's lower sideband. Hello, audio, audio, hello, hello. So I'm not screaming into the mic, just a simple hello, audio, audio, hello, and that's it. FM, of course, that's FM. And of course, you're not going to see any modulation movement because we are on frequency modulation. That's low. There's your high dead key. And as you can see, it is, I don't know if we'll be able to do it, but we are on FM. That's all the way down. Of course, it looks like the knob's even lower, but you get the idea. So it's a good little radio. Definitely working sweet. Get that off there. There's a lot of. And again, now I'm going to do just the RMS. Dead key all the way down. Hello, audio, hello. So you can see that there. Dead key all the way up. Hello, hello, hello. So it works pretty good. I mean, it's good, a nice little driver for a nice linear. And you can see with peak again. Hello, hello. And I always go to the 200 watt scale. Hello, hello. For some reason, Dozies were the same way. You actually had to go up to the 20 if you were hitting close to the 20 on the regular 20 watt scale. You'd have to always go to the 200. But anyway, guys, that's basically the radio. And of course, your dim works, all that stuff. And the only thing that's wrong with this thing is just typical with those little radios, as you can see. I can turn it up, it's going down instead. But as you know, there's more than one way to turn this thing up and down. And of course, you got the SWR off. As you see, hello. Nothing coming up in the SWR. So we're pretty much flat. Let's shut that off. Hello.